Have you ever faced challenges in meeting your sales goals despite putting your best efforts in? Are you wondering why your clients keep ghosting you? Or do you find yourself having really great conversations but somehow never actually ask for the sale? Hello everyone, I'm Nicole O'Sullivan from Bird's Eye View Consulting, and I'm really excited to personally invite you for my 4-hour Recipe for Sales Success workshop I'm hosting at the Westend Business Hub in Werribee on the 28th of February. I have over 20 years experience in the sales and service industry that expands across multiple countries and has also allowed me to transform sales results by over 25% in 90 days. In this workshop, we'll delve into the power of belief, exploring a positive mindset and how that can actually drive success in your sales outcomes. Let's break free from the rigid sales structures and embrace more of an intuitive, customer-centric approach. Together, we'll create a roadmap for identifying and overcoming obstacles to success with strategies for achieving your sales goals. If you're serious about growing your sales results in 2024, join me for my Recipe for Sales Success 4-hour workshop on the 28th of February at the Westend Business Hub in Werribee so we can elevate your sales game. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one. There are limited seats available, so really don't miss out. I really can't wait to see you there.